Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Today drawing a sketch with me kids and see what I am drawing today. See kids and follow this step and draw now with me step by step. See what I am drawing today. See what is this kids I am drawing today. I am drawing today a cartoon character. Now draw with me kids step by step and see carefully how I am drawing a cute cartoon character sketch on a paper. I am drawing step by step and draw with me kids step by step. Wow, and see, yes now what is this I am drawing today? This is a cartoon character. Wow, this is a cartoon character of Oscar. Oasis. Kids, do you see this cartoon character in Oscar Oasis series? This is like Oscar and a lizard. Oscar Oasis. Now coloring with me kids in Oscar Oasis. Step by step. Coloring in Oscar Oasis.